Welcome, sixth graders. You are on task number 3 for your skimmer project. And for this, you are going to draw out your paper layout for your skimmer. Before you start cutting and gluing it together, we have to draw it out very precisely. And so you're going to be creating a main body, 2 fins that you can see on the back side here, and then an air scoop that it's underneath this part here. And so you'll need to have that measured very precisely for it all to fit together well. And so you'll include a picture of your drawing in your design notebook, and I'll show you in your design notebook where that's located. You're going to go to task number 3, and this starts off with the details of what you're going to be creating. So the 3 pieces that you're going to be drawing out. And you'll notice with the layout there are some lines that are dotted and some that are solid, and it is important to pay attention to those because if it is a dotted line, once you cut it out you're going to be folding that, versus the solid lines you're going to be cutting out. And so pay attention to those solid or dotted lines. You will use your straight edge or a ruler for each of these, and you can see the measurements are listed here in your design notebook. So you see 3 inches for this, 1/2 inch for the thickness of this going across, 4 inches, and so on. So you can see all the measurements, and when you're done making this, you can look at my piece of paper that I have in the camera, or down below there is another sample. This will take up your entire sheet of paper. And if you're thinking, I do not know how to do this, how to measure, where to begin, then you should go back up to the top here and you see it says, how do I do this? And it is a video I created where I actually measure out all of the pieces that you'll use with your ruler, and you can follow along with that. Pause the video, go in slow-mo or rewind it if you need to, but that'll help you complete this task number 3.